Hello, good morning and good afternoon, fellow crafters. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. So this week in Storytime, we are talking about winter. And yeah, you're right. Winter does look very different here for us in Florida than it does in the rest of the country. But one of the things that we think about when we think about winter, of course, is snow, right? So we don't really get any snow, so we're gonna make our own with this very, very cute little garland that you can hang up to decorate for the winter season. So when you come in to do your express checkout, or if you pull up outside and do curbside, you're gonna get this sheet right here that has different kinds of snowflakes. And then you'll just color those in and cut them out. And yep, you're right, they are kind of tricky, so you're definitely going to be using those skills to cut these out. Now, you could also make your own snowflakes, and it's easier than you think. What you're going to need is a square sheet of paper. It always works a little bit better if the square is a perfect shape. So you'll fold it up, and when you unfold it after cutting it, it'll look something like this. What you're going to do, take your square, I just used a small one, and you're going to fold it over diagonally into a triangle. And then you're going to fold that one more time into a smaller triangle. And then you'll fold over like that. It's almost like making a paper airplane. And then fold over the other side. So you've created this tiny, skinny little triangle. And you'll see that you've got these extra flaps right there at the top. But if you fold it over, flip it so that you see that line right there, you're going to take your scissors, cut that extra off, and then you can take your scissors to cut little shapes out. And you can do any kind of shape you want. You can go almost like a little circle, and it kind of looks like a heart. All right, and then the other side, and one more. Just pull those out and unfold it, and you will have your own cute little snowflake. You could even add glitter if you're allowed to have glitter. I'm not allowed to have glitter down here. So there you have it, guys. You can make these snowflakes, which are on this sheet, or you can make your own, or you could do both. And you'll also get a little string of yarn so that you can tape those snowflakes to it, maybe hang it up in your window, and then you can pretend that you're looking out onto real snow, right? I hope you guys are having a marvelous holiday season, and we'll see you soon. Bye.